कोर्स है, ये लाइव डेमोस्ट्रेशन हम आपको कर रहे हैं। 100% प्लेसमेंट है सर, ये तीसरा साल चल रहा है। बैठ बच्चा, ये जेरिश है इधर और साकिब। बताओ हम क्या बताने जा रहे हैं।
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Lieutenant Governor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, respected guests, and all of you present here. A very warm welcome from you. You from us. Like we, the students of Department of Forensic Science, are going to display like mock indoor crime scene. This is a setup where indoor environment in which a real crime has been happened, and we'll show you the role of a forensic expert in collection and in packaging and in helping hand in solving a crime case. So basically we'll start with the procedure of photography before entering the crime scene. We'll first take the photography. There are a few methods, but right now we are using the bird view method. After that we'll have the sketching and the measurements of the evidence, in which we experts sketch the crime scene, and one help is done by a forensic expert in measuring the evidence from the crime scene. Next we'll have the marking of the evidence so that we won't miss a single piece of evidence which can help us in solving a case. Like in this we are using a linear method. Our forensic expert goes into the crime scene, and in a linear way the expert goes and place the markings in front of the evidence. And after that we'll again do the photography of the evidence from a close-up range with the help of a measuring scale, so that we can measure the evidence as well as the we can reconstruct the evidence later as well. And next we'll have the collection team in which the forensic expert comes and collects the evidence from a crime scene, and it helps to prevent contamination of the evidences. The expert goes inside the crime scene with a proper procedure, wearing all the gears which are necessary, and after that we'll collect the samples from the crime scene, samples and all the evidence we get, and we'll send these samples into the labs, forensic expert labs, where the test will be done. Like in labs there are two cases mainly done. So first we'll proceed with the preliminary test. So over here we'll do the preliminary test of a blood. Whenever we get a blood, we'll see whether the blood is of a human or not. So in this preliminary test, we can get to know that the blood is of a human or not. And over there we will collect the fingerprints from our evidence.
Sir, now these experts will show you how the preliminary testing is done.
These are the presumptive analysis which says that कि ये ऐसा हो likely.
Sir, इन लोगों ने ये नाइफ से ब्लड कलेक्ट किया था जो वो यहाँ पर दिया है टीम को. Now to check whether it's blood or something else, they'll conduct the test. Simple test. अगर इस पे green color आ जाता है, it shows it is blood.
ये human.
You can see that, sir, there's a dark green color, so it shows it's blood. Now whether it's a human blood or not, they'll do the test for that. By the time they prepare the test,
the preliminary test.
sir, it's a
The
preliminary
site is-
test. Yes,
The site is tell.
yes, sir.
And then it goes to the lab.
It goes to the lab where the confirmatory tests are done. So by the time they prepare the reagent, we'll move forward and see how the fingerprint development is done.
So the fingerprint is not visible here. So we'll try to develop the fingerprint using different kinds of powders. The fingerprint gets developed. The powders are based on what color the surface is. If the surface is dark color, we use light powders. If the surface is light color, we use dark powders or fluorescent powders.
Very interesting.
After the fingerprint is developed, they'll lift it now using the tape. Now for collection and to send it to the lab, we use that paper.
With marking.
Sir, sir, there we have gotten the fingerprint of the culprit. Now we can come back to the blood test. अब से हमें ये पता चल गया है preliminary test से कि ये blood है. Now to see whether it's a human blood or animal or any other species blood, they'll do the test. It's an immunoassay test जिसमें हमने इस buffer में blood sample जो था वो डाला है और ये यहाँ पर show करेगा. If 2 lines appear, so it shows it's human blood. If only single line or no line appears, it shows that it's not a human origin blood. आप रख दो फ्रेम यहाँ पे.
ये केस तो आप लोग सब इम्पोर्ट करते हैं ना?
जी सर, ये हमारे पास NFSU से है. So there are 2 lines. So it shows it was human origin blood on the knife.
Very good.
Thank you sir. That's all from my side.
Very nice.
This is a mobile forensic van. The first of the UT. हमने UT से पहले और इसमें 25 orders थे.
Frame और Manoj, please give them a
लेकिन फिर भी
overview
बच्चे
of what
बहुत
the lab
प्यार से
is.
सिखा रहे थे, इसलिए I was interested to see them because I have already done all these things in Delhi.
हाँ सर.
सर लद्दाख में तो थोड़ा बच्चे बताना चाहेंगे तो
नहीं,
अपने
इसीलिए
एलजी
मैंने
सर को
सुना,
बताना
इसीलिए
चाहेंगे तो
सुना,
आपने सुना सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
They were-
तो ये सब पैरामीटर्स हैं जो हम करते हैं सर. वो तो लेकिन इसके
ये मुझे अब बताएं कितने बच्चों को यहाँ अपने FSL की ट्रेनिंग देके ट्रेन किया और सर्टिफिकेट दिया?
सर हमने जो फर्स्ट हमारा पीजी बैच क्लियर हुआ उसमें फर्स्ट वैकेंसी जो यूटी में आई थी दे आर ऑल आर.
तो मुझे मालूम है वो अभी जितने भी बच्चे निकलते
नंबर
हैं सब
सर पूछना चाह रहे हैं.
नंबर कितने?
नंबर सर इस वक्त हमारे पास 31 बच्चे हैं जो
पिछली
MSc
बार
कर रहे
20 हुए होंगे सर.
हैं. हाँ पिछली बार नहीं 10 थे सर सबसे पहले वाले.
तो अभी 30 है.
30 है सर और ऑल फ्रॉम द मतलब पूरी कंट्री से हैं. लद्दाख से भी और लद्दाख से बाहर से भी.
हो गया सर.
इसका भी सब बहुत स्कोप है.